Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to remove desktop shortcut icon on your Windows. This works with Windows 11 and Windows 10. So you have to download this app called Vista Shortcut Manager. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video. So what you have to do after installing it, you open the app. You'll be greeted with different options. The first one is to have the arrow. Second one is to have a light arrow. The third one is to customize the arrow. If you have any PNG, you can use to customize the arrow if you want. And the last one is no arrow, which you want to do in this video. So once you select no arrow, make sure that you have this selected. Select here to remove shortcut extension. When new shortcuts are created, click on apply. It's going to tell you to log out from your Windows. Click on yes. So you might get this error, but don't worry, you can always log out manually. So you don't need to reboot your computer. All you have to do is to sign out from Windows and sign back in, and everything will work perfectly fine as it should. So after signing back into Windows, you can see that our desktop is really looking pretty clean. There are no shortcut icon on our desktop anymore. So you can do this with registry edit, but I think this is the best way to do this so that you can always revert back without screwing up things on your registry edit. Anyway, that's all for this video. See you guys in this next one.